students of Gokuraji Angaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology from the Department of Biotechnology has worked on isolation, purification and characterization of subtilism from Bacillus subtilis. Firstly, the soil sample near the lake was taken as a source of organism. The soil was subjected to serial dilution and 0.1 ml of the sample from each tube was plated onto the agar plate and incubated at 37 degrees centigrade to obtain the colonies. The colonies were checked whether they are positive. The gram staining was performed and the obtained colonies were found to be purple in color. Hence, it was confirmed as gram positive. Pressure was known by incubating the production media at various temperatures from 10 to 60 degrees centigrade and 35 to 37 degrees centigrade was found as optimum, and similarly pH 7 to 8 was found to be optimum among various biochemical tests like indole, amylase, nitrate, oxidase, catalase, urease and Kessin were performed. Effective temperature was known by incubating the production media at various temperatures from 10 to 60 degrees centigrade and 35 to 37 degrees centigrade was found as optimum, and similarly pH 7 to 8 was found to be optimum among various biochemical tests like indole, amylase, nitrate, oxidase, catalase, urease and Kessin were performed. Then the primary culture was set up and that was inoculated into secondary culture. The secondary culture was pelleted down at 10,000 rpm at 4 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. The pellet containing subtilism was subjected to purification. The purification involves dialysis, ammonium sulfate precipitation and cephaloid G200 and G100 gel permeation chromatography. The purified enzyme was obtained and subjected to characterization using fibrinolytic activity, proteolytic activity, amidolytic activity. Fibrinolytic activity. This was measured by fibrin plate method. A petri dish containing 5 ml of 0.6% fibrinogen solution in 50 mm sodium phosphate buffer was mixed with 5 ml of 2% agarose solution along with 0.1 ml of a thrombin solution. 20 ml of sample was loaded onto a well made by using capillary tube on fibrin plate. The dimension of clear zone was measured after incubation. Proteolytic activity. This was assayed with Kessin. The reaction mixture containing 0.1 ml of 0.2 molar sodium phosphate buffer, 0.1 ml of 2% Kessin and 0.1 ml of enzyme solution was incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes and then mixed with 0.1 ml of trichloroacetic acid to stop the enzyme reaction. The mixture was centrifuged at 1000 rpm and OD and the supernatant was measured. Amidolytic activity. The amidolytic activity of subtilism was measured using spectrophotometer using a chromogenic substrate. The activity was measured at 405 nanometers for the formation of p-nitroaniline. Finally, we conclude that the enzyme subtilism was isolated from Bacillus subtilis